Today we are going to unbox and review the Manfrotto 035 Super Clamp without stud. This is a very versatile piece of equipment that can be used to mount a variety of audio, video, and photography accessories, lights, cameras, and more. Alright, so you can do a lot with this clamp. On the top you have this insert for a stud, and here you have an insert for a 1/4-20 thread. This screw is what allows a stud to be locked into place, and you also have this safety release as well. When you start out, this is perfect for clamping to something round, but here you'll notice that there's this insert, and to get it off you just loosen this and it snaps off. You can convert the clamp to work on a flat surface by snapping it in, and now you're ready to go on a flat surface. So the lever is not one of the ratcheting types. It does not pull out, but it should work fine for clamping to most surfaces. Let's check out a couple of the different accessory types you can use with this. So here I have one of these brass studs. I bought the super clamp that did not come with a stud. Here I've got another stud that I screwed a 3/8 adapter onto the top of. This one has the 1/4-20. So you can use something like this, and then you just take your super clamp, push that silver in as you attach the stud, and then lock it in with this. And that's going to take all the wiggle and play out of the stud. And then you could screw any sort of attachment you need onto the bottom of that. You could put a ball head on it, a clamp for a quick release plate like an Arca Swiss or Manfrotto. The possibilities are pretty much endless with this. So here's just a Manfrotto ball head I have, and I can take this 3/8 and I can create a mini tabletop ball head tripod just like that, and it locks in place pretty well. I really like these Manfrotto 244 arms, especially the ones that have the RC quick release on top. I'm a big fan of those. You can also detach that and just have a stud on it, but you see this has a built-in stud on the bottom. This makes for an amazing articulating tabletop tripod. You could put a monitor on it, you could put a light on it, you could put pretty much anything and be able to use these quick releases with it, with the super clamp, to make a super mobile rig. Let's go ahead and mount a couple different cameras and accessories and see how this super clamp does. To mount the super clamp to a table, you just make sure that you've got that flat adapter, put it on the table, and tighten like so. It's not going anywhere. Then we could insert an accessory like this magic arm. Make sure that knob's loose. Snap into place. And then make sure that the stud doesn't have any sway by tightening that knob down. And then now I've got this magic arm mounted great. I'm going to do a whole nother video on these. These are incredible. Once you get the magic arm mounted, it's not going anywhere. It's very steady. The only thing you have to worry about is any play that you have due to your tabletop or surface. We could also pop our ball head in. Let's say we wanted to mount this clamp to this C-stand arm. All I got to do is take off the insert and tighten down. The Manfrotto 035 Super Clamp is such an amazing piece of equipment that can be used for so many different things. As soon as you buy your first one, you'll start to realize all the different ways that you can use it for various projects in the future. I would definitely recommend at least having several and always keeping one in your video bag. Thanks for watching this video. If you found value in this content, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. I've got lots more audio and video equipment coming in that I'm going to be breaking down and showing you useful ways that you can use it for your productions.